The Whistlebrook effective interest rate product enables financial services organisations to correctly recognise their interest income, their fee income, or amortise fee costs over the expected life of a loan to an individual. What it also does is if the behaviour of that individual changes, they do something unexpected, maybe they redeem the loan early, or maybe they miss a payment, then the product will recalculate the interest income recognition, or it will recalculate the fee amortisation. What it also enables them to do is to model different scenarios of expected customer behaviour and for them to see the impact on that on their income recognition. Most financial services organisations are modelling their interest income recognition or their fee cost amortisation by using spreadsheets. When they do that, they're bringing into their organisation all of the sort of risks that you get from using spreadsheets. For instance, reliance on a key individual, or perhaps that spreadsheet isn't properly documented, or there is no audit trail of changes that have been made. We believe that our product is unique in the UK marketplace and enables financial services companies to replace those spreadsheets. The Whistlebrook effective interest rate product has been designed to meet the requirements of accounting standards, whether that's UK GAAP or international financial reporting standards. We developed it in conjunction with our customers, and our team of regulatory experts continue to review new exposure drafts, proposed regulatory changes, and ensuring the product is kept in accordance and up to date with those requirements.